Mga ka-wonders, ready ng ating seafood bell pepper sauce. Ihalo na natin siya sa ating pasta. Maayong adlaw mga kahigalaan! Ako si Chakoy and welcome sa Wandering Kusina. Today's episode, ang lulutuin natin is seafood bell pepper sauce. Now guys, pwede ito sa lahat ng klaseng pasta. Ang sarap nito kaya gusto kong i-share sa inyo and this has been my recipe for quite a while. At ito ang ating mga ingredients. Meron tayong mixed seafoods. Now guys, first of all, originally, ang gamit ko lang talaga dito sa sauce na to is shrimp. However, medyo may kamahalan ang shrimp, so I opted for a frozen mixed seafoods. You've got squid, scallops, and shrimp. So, pwedeng-pwede to sa seafood bell pepper sauce natin. Ito is isang pack and it's 500 grams. Now, if ever kung may fresh shrimps man kayong gagamitin, you can opt for half a kilo or 1/4 ng kilo just to give it the seafood taste. Now, next, we have 1 bulb of onion. And ganito lang yung pagkakat, guys. Not so big, not so small. Pero pwede niyong liitan din if you like kasi later on, i-blend naman natin to. And then we have garlic. Isang buong garlic ito. And I just chopped it this small. Okay? Not chopped, but I sliced it this small. And obviously, ang bell pepper natin. Now, I opted for 4 pieces of bell pepper. You can use red bell pepper para reddish yung sauce nyo. However, kasi nakasale yung bell pepper sa market, so I bought 1 pack. So, isa-slice natin yan later on. Now guys, ang taste ng bell pepper, it's sweet and it's going to be smoky kasi lulutuin natin ito mamaya bago natin i-blend. And we have parsley, which later on, gagawin natin itong garnish and a few of it, ihahalo natin sa ating sauce. So may dalawa tayong cans ng cream. Now, itong cream natin guys, it's 160 grams per can. Ito yung nagpapa-creamy ng sauce natin. And then, meron tayong pepper, i-crush natin yan. And for the additional seasoning at flavor ng ating sauce, I'm going to use honey. Now, i-adjust natin to later on. I'm going to use around 1 tablespoon of this first. And then, as we go, i-adjust natin yan. And by the way, pag wala naman kayong honey, you can always use sugar, white or brown sugar. But I strongly suggest na gumamit kayo ng brown sugar pag wala kayong honey. Gagamit din tayo ng salt. Now, ang salt natin is adjustable. So, we are going to start first with 1 tablespoon of salt. Hindi magiging complete ang sauce pag wala tayong pastang gagamitin. And then, we're going to use oil. Now, this one is olive oil. Now, sobrang bilis na uminit ng olive oil, guys. So, quickly, when we start the cooking process, we're going to immediately put our ingredients in, starting off with the garlic. So, guys, itong sauce na to, it's great for handaan. It's great for birthday celebrations. And always remember na pwede nitong gawing negosyo. Part of the cooking process is to prepare your ingredients. Slice na natin ng ganyan. Simple as that lang, guys. Kasi kahit irregular yung pag-slice ng bell pepper, it's going to be okay. Kasi i-blend naman natin to mamaya. So the smaller, the better. Para madali siyang ma-blend. Okay. So ngayon, let's start the cooking process. Let's turn on our kalan. Now, mga ka-wonders, I didn't introduce butter. It's best kung may butter sana siya. And I only have this butter left. Okay? So if you want to use butter, you can use 50 grams of butter. And I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Pero painitin ko na lang muna siya. Kasi as I said, mabilis masunog ang olive oil. Especially pag extra virgin, which is usually for salads. A little bit of olive oil. And then, unahin natin itong ating garlic para magpawis siya at lumabas yung oil ng garlic mismo. And hinaan nyo lang yung apoy nyo. Yan. Bango. Pag napapansin nyo na yung butter natin is mag-start na siyang mag-brown, wait, before that, kung tatanong nyo kung salted ba ang butter, yes, salted ang butter. Now, kung napapansin nyo na yung garlic nyo is mag-start na mag-brown, ilunod nyo na yung onions nyo. Now, ilagay na natin yung ating bell pepper. So lutuin lang natin siya before maging soggy yung ating bell pepper. Just keep on stirring mga ka-wonders para hindi siya masunog sa ilalim. And let's leave it for a while at a low heat. Okay mga ka-wonders, malapit na to. The next process would be the cooling process kasi kailangan siyang medyo malamig na bago natin siyang i-blender. Kasi kung mainit siyang i-blender, it's going to create a pressure inside. Baka puputok yung blender natin. Now, let's season this up. Lagyan natin ng salt. And then pepper. Now guys, this is okay. Luto na yung bell pepper natin. Patayin natin yung apoy. And then we're going to put it on a big plate. Bakit big plate? Para mabilis siyang lumamig. Kasi, i-blender natin to. So mga ka-wonders, make sure i-spread lang natin para yung heat niya is agad ma-release at mabilis siyang lumamig. The next thing that we're going to do is gisahin natin itong seafoods natin. Super sandali lang yung paggisa ng seafoods natin, guys. As you have noticed, hindi ko na ito hinugasan para nandoon pa rin yung flavor ng bell pepper natin. Konting oil lang. And then, diretso na natin. Oh my God, that smell, guys. Yan, ang sarap. And we're going to put a little salt. Then pepper. Then gisa lang. Guys, quick lang to ha. Wala pa to sa 5 minutes na gagawin natin. Kasi isasalin pa natin to later on sa ating sauce mismo. So ginawa lang natin, we have to make sure na naluto itong seafoods natin now. Always remember na ang seafoods is super daling maluto. You can even actually eat it raw. And this is it. May sabaw yung seafoods natin na na-produce and we're going to leave it as it is. Isasalin natin yan sa sauce natin. And that's it. So isasalin na natin siya sa mangkok. There you go. There you have it. So mga ka-wonders, part of the cooling process is we have to make sure na nakaspread yung bell pepper natin. Ito na-spread na to and napa-cool down na natin. So, ang gagawin natin, next, is i-blend na natin ito. So, I have to make sure na naka-cool down siya. So, kung parehas tayo ng blender, you have to go through the same process as I did. Susunod natin mga ka-wonders is we're going to fill it a little bit of cool water. Mga 3 tablespoon lang. This will help na mag-liquefy immediately yung bell pepper sauce natin. The water that I use is cool water para ma-lessen mismo yung heat na nasa bell pepper pa. Now, next, we're going to put in some honey. Oops. 1 tablespoon lang. And then, a few leaves of parsley. Cut nyo lang. And then, ilagay nyo dito sa blender natin. Then, let's put it on the blender. Sandali lang ito, guys. So, if you notice, pino na siya, pero makikita mo yung green niya. So, blend pa lang natin. I think that's it. Okay na yung sauce natin. Set aside natin to. Balik tayo sa ating pagluluto. Hindi ko to nilinis mga ka-wonders dahil I believe that the flavor is still within this kawali. So we're going to use the same. Na huwag masyadong malakas yung apoy nyo. So, lagay natin itong ating sauce. Mix lang natin to to avoid them sticking sa ilalim. So, ilagay natin itong sauce ng ating seafoods to give it that seafood flavor. Yan. Then, mix lang natin. Yung pag-dilute ko nung blender natin, I think it's about 1 cup or less than a cup of water, hot water. Now, this time guys, ilagay na natin itong ating cream. So, unahin natin itong isa. And let's see how it goes. Gamit tayo ng whisk, mga ka-wonders, para mas mabilis siyang mag-mix. And then, let's add our second cream. Then, whisk lang natin ulit. Tingnan yung creaminess ng sauce natin, mga ka-wonders. Yan. Now, we're going to taste it. Lagyan natin ng konting salt. Then, mix natin ulit. Lagyan pa natin ng konti pang salt. Mga ka-wonders, sa last portion ng process na to, we're going to add in our seafoods. So mga ka-wonders, make sure na nakapatay na yung apoy sa sauce nyo before adding this seafoods. Kasi always remember, ang texture ng squid is very sensitive to heat. If you're going to heat it up again after na-heat up nyo siya, baka titigas siya. Especially pag natagalan nyo siyang mainit, mas lalo siyang titigas. So now, i-add natin tong seafoods natin dito sa ating bell pepper sauce. Yan. There you go, mga ka-wonders. It's done. Mga ka-wonders, ready ng ating seafood bell pepper sauce. Ihalo na natin siya sa ating pasta. So this time, tikman natin itong sauce natin with the pasta. Matagal na rin ako hindi nakapagluto nito. I hope this is good. This is the bell pepper pasta that I have been craving for so long. There you have it, mga ka-wonders. That's our seafood bell pepper pasta sauce. And before I go, mga ka-wonders, babatiin ko lang ng very happy first birthday kay Ivo, pamangkin ni Chef Mark. Happy birthday, Ivo. Now, mga ka-wonders, thank you very much for watching. That's our episode for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to Wondering Cucina's YouTube channel and click that notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng mga videos namin. And don't forget to comment sa recipe na to, whether good or bad, just let us know. And do ask questions. Feel free to ask questions. Daghang salamat, mga ka-wonders. Ako si Chakoy. Stay cool, stay safe, and peace.